Bob and Hillary from the Vancaskeys, and we are coming from
the Evolution Tour in Scottsdale, Arizona.
But then they also called it a, what did they call it?
Van Expo or something?
Yeah, an Adventure Van Expo. So all of those words combined. We've never been to one of these.
And just from like the drive-in and glancing kind of down into the show, there are some really cool brands here that I am excited to see what they're offering, and there's tons of vans. So hopefully we can show you guys some of them.
Yeah, so we don't know if we even get to go in vans. We don't know.
We're gonna figure it out on the fly.
Let's figure it out together. Let's go.
So I have done a ton of research about CA2. They have some really cool upgrades that I would love to put on a van, but most of them are for sprinters. And unfortunately we have a ProMaster, but super cool that they're here. I need one of these.
So what you're saying is we need to get a different RV that could tow something, and then we would tow this.
Yes, I like that idea.
He thinks we're made of money. We found the Hilt. We're gonna go inside. Oh, wow.
Careful with that window. You can't go flip it over that. Stay down.
Could you cook on that?
Oh, for sure. This thing is phenomenal. The quality is amazing. I am thoroughly impressed. And for an MSRP of $624,000, I think we need to start saving up for this.
No. We're a fan of the Hilt. So cool. Storyteller, reach out to us. We'll take this for a ride, do a full tour. So there's a lot of people wanting to get into the Hilt, so obviously we can't give you a full tour, but hopefully you enjoyed what we were able to show you. Very cool. Oh, we didn't open the front door. Let's see if we can.
So this is the 2024 Storyteller Mystic. So with this model, you get a upgraded door speakers, upgraded wheels and tires, a Mystic graphic package, a hood spoiler, custom emblem, and the Invader rear door storage solution.
Okay, all for a price of?
$199,000.
Okay. All right, so it sounds like we're in the Storyteller Overland Mystic mode. And I have to say, you guys know, I'm not a big fan of this beast mode, Storyteller, whatever. I mean, obviously this is the Mystic mode. I'm not necessarily a big fan of it. But what they did with this one makes it look so much more cozy and like van lifey, if that's a word. I mean, this looks different to me. This looks like a little more like quality, but Bob's shaking his head no. And then, okay, maybe it's just because I've never seen it like with bedding on it and stuff, but like, okay. I don't know. I'm a fan of this one, even though I know it's not much different. And the shower's in here. I know that. So there's the shower. I'm a fan, not a fan for $200,000. So Bob, sorry. But It is kind of cute and cozy. What?
Invader. These things on the back for your tire mount, your max tracks. You've got a roto pack. It's very nice. All right, I got totally distracted. We were looking at the Storytellers and they're amazing. And then I saw something that we could actually put on our van. This amazing bumper from Owl Vans and these lights. The lights on the ProMaster, especially the older one like we have, they're terrible. But this could change my life. I think I need this.
How much are they?
You can't put a price on happiness. Actually, you can. So I saw this online. This flare is basically the entire side of this 170 chassis Sprinter. And this is an entire flare. So there's no windows on this side. It's all this extended flare all the way down. The thing is huge. You even have a tool set in here. Amazing. Wow. Okay, to sum this van up in one word or in one phrase, everything that you could think of to put in a van, they absolutely did. This thing is way over the top. I love it. Look at the bathroom. Looks like they must have broke a piece of glass.
Can you open doors and shower?
But,
Oh, is there no glass? Oh,
yeah.
then why would you open the door?
I mean, this 170 chassis has basically a queen size bed, an entire huge galley with a coffee machine, and a steam shower. It's amazing.
You're in?
I'm in. I
And
love
look,
it.
you can stand up. You're 6'1", and you're standing.
I love it. Not to mention, it does come with a full bar. Hopefully it comes equipped. It's amazing.
That is. There.
It even has a rooftop tent.
Very cool.
Wow. All Victron components. They have the aqua heat. They spared no expense on this thing. It's amazing. Wow. This is what dreams are made of.
How much one was this? How much?
I don't even know if I saw a price. I think this was just their like demo van for like potential things that they could do, because it literally has like every potential upgrade that you can think of.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Oh yeah, so they went through like all the different components that they put on there.
Wow.
Do they have a? No, I thought they might have like a final page where.
What about on the
price.
front? Nope. Cool. Dream van?
Dreams.
That's what dreams are made of?
This is what dreams are made of. Adventures. I love it.
So I have wanted to see what a trunk, I've never been in a truck with a camper. I don't think ever. And so we're in this one. I think obviously it's used, but I just wanted to see like, what does it feel like? Like, would it be enough for us? What do you think, Bob?
Well, I have to say the build quality is quite nice. It has everything you need, but it's a little snug.
Yeah, there's your bed. What's this?
This is your kind of chest refrigerator. Someone living in here. Here's your galley with your sink stove combo. Not bad.
Okay.
And then back over here, you've got seating for two with a nice little table. I think this is a lagoon mount. Yep. Lagoon mount bamboo table. Pretty nice.
Yeah.
Pretty nice.
I think I heard them say that the price might be like $200,000 now.
Wow.
That's what I think I just heard him say. I think he's trying to sell it maybe.
Yeah, that's pretty pricey. And you'd have to buy the vehicle. This
No,
is just
I think he's selling it all together.
Oh, all together.
Because it's used.
Ah, okay.
But still, that's too expensive for us.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
I hit my head on that.
Yeah. Just be careful getting out.
I hit my head on that as soon as I came in, so probably not for us.
They don't know how to make a truck.
I mean, she's beefy and she'd make it up to Alaska and back. That would be nice.
So Explorist Life, I've been following them for a long time. They make some really cool videos and do a great job with the technical details of the electrical system in a van. And they use some really cool components that I wish we had in our van so we wouldn't have all the electrical problems we do. And that's Nate, and you know, I'm kind of fanboying right now, but what can I say? They're amazing.
Wow. So this is the Airstream Basecamp 20.
It's a 2023.
It's a 2023. It's on sale, or its price is $71,000 for a trailer. That's a little steep for me.
Yeah. But I like this.
I do like the panoramic windows.
Yes.
It's pretty cool.
I don't like that you could tear down and set up a bed.
Well, but here's the thing. You have like two tables. That's one thing I don't quite understand about this layout is you have your place to sit up front. You have your bathroom in the middle. Then you have your bed that you can also convert into a table.
Huh. Maybe.
I don't get it. It is
Nice sink.
nice sink. 2-burner stove.
What's up with these cabinets? They almost look like they were see-through.
Oh,
Cool. Here's your
Wow.
bathroom.
good sized bathroom.
Yeah. It's nice.
Do you need me to stand in it for all of
If
the
you
viewers?
can, yeah.
I mean, it's got plenty of room in here to take a shower.
Yeah, you do. That's a nice size bathroom.
Yeah.
But it is a trailer, so you have to buy a vehicle.
Yeah, then we would need a tow vehicle. But I bet the Hilt could tow it.
Why would you want a trailer and a Hilt?
I don't know.
Yeah. All of a sudden, Bob's won the lotto.
I think all of these vans over here are for sale from the different custom builders.
Well, and also you could pay to sell your vehicle.
Oh, I didn't
So
know.
you can have your vehicle here and you can pay, there was a fee, but you can park it here and sell it, I believe.
Cool. I want to take a look at this one.
I like everything except the bed setup. Would need to tweak that.
Look at that ceiling though.
It's super cool.
And there's your shower. I'm assuming there's a door.
Here, let me step in. I'll step in here.
That's your favorite shower
I
door.
forget what they're called. Nautilus. This is the Nautilus shower door. Love them. Very cool. They have all of the Dometic appliances, you know, the air conditioner, the refrigerator, not the stove. It doesn't have gas. I like everything about this van except the bed. It's up very high and it doesn't look like it moves. So unless you're gonna lay right in the middle, it's really only a one-person van because
You only got about 10 inches between the bed and the ceiling.
Well, you
Or
would
the
just
bed and the
lower
cabinet.
it.
But you can't. It's basically a board that's on this aluminum
Oh,
bracket.
never mind.
So it's not like the Revel where you can lower it down.
Oh, okay.
So apparently Van Compass does Sprinter upgrades, which I have been looking. I'm sorry. They do Sprinter upgrades, but they also do ProMaster upgrades. And I have been looking for some upgrades for our van. And maybe we found something that we need to get.
Like what?
Oh, we can do a lift kit. We can do some new struts. We can do some new shocks. We can put some recovery gear on it. Love it. So this is a really cool upgrade that you can do for the Sprinter. I believe this is like 25 or 28 gallons, something like that. And then you can go all the way up to, I think this is like 45 or 47 gallons. So huge upgrade.
Yeah. Fact check him if he's wrong.
You guys always do. You let me know. Oh, wow.
Oh,
Tiny.
tiny. Maybe that's all we need, Bob.
Maybe. Although, okay, I'm seeing this now. You got your sink, your stove, your awning, your bed, all in this nice little compact trailer.
Wonder how much it is. Yeah, it's kind of small. Oh, and there's your refrigerator.
Oh, yep. Oh, there you go.
Okay. Huh.
What's that?
Now, this trailer paired with that vehicle, maybe.
I don't have pricing. This is a prototype.
I mean, I bet you it's way more expensive than Mr. Lemon.
100%.
Yeah.
I think this is a Defender. Yes, this is a Defender that has been absolutely decked out. Stunning. So clean, so nice. Okay, I have to go. Well, guys, I think that's going to wrap it up for today. We obviously couldn't show you everything that this expo had to offer. There's just so many cool things here to see. But I definitely enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys enjoyed being along for the ride.
Yeah, seeing the one we tried to find the ones that were just so cool and that we normally wouldn't get to see and get inside them. But again, there's so many people here. We want to respect everybody else's experience, and so there was some that we just didn't go in because they had a lot of people. I hope you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Like we said at the beginning, if you're new here, we're the Vancaskeys, and we love to take trips in our RV. We have a Tellaro 20A. We love to give RV tips, and we like doing RV reviews because, like you guys know, our van is called Mr. Lemon, and we're always looking for something else. I think he's on borrowed time right now.
Yes, he is on borrowed time.
But I don't know if we saw anything today that we're
Well,
gonna get.
I saw a few things that I liked and would love to use, test drive.
Yeah. It's hot. We're done. Until
Yeah.
next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Happy travels.